Okay, so today, you guys, I am checking my watch list. As you can see, I'm 3 hours away, and this is 2 hours, even though they're all in the same county. This is in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I just wanted to show you this because these are also an opportunity if you're going to be bidding as a tax deed investor. You can also help to collect the overages. Now, I hadn't thoroughly checked this, and as you guys can see, I haven't bid it yet because if you looked at one of my other videos, my new strategy is that I wait until the last hour. So that's why I'm doing this video because we're in the final hour. So I'm going to click on this one because a lot of these properties are near the strip. So I'm just gonna click on this one because this one's still pretty cheap and it's 4,700. So I'm just looking at this, for example, and the minimum bid is 2,000, and so it says the current bid is 4,700. So I am just going to place a bid right now, and let's just see what happens. Gotta click all of these. I'm gonna bid now. Oh my gosh. So it says I've been outbidded. So I'm just gonna wait. As you guys can see, it automatically went up from 4,800 to 4,900. So that's exactly how this works. I just wanted to kind of show you how this works when you're bidding at an auction. Now, as you guys can see, I'm gonna go back. This is my watch list. So these are all the properties that I was looking to purchase in Clark County, which is really close to Vegas. There are some other auctions that are going on in Nevada. Now, you also can click here. Let's just see. This one's 30,000. The opening bid was 5,000. This was a good one. This was actually a condo. So a condo in Vegas right now is bidding at $30,000. And I don't know if you guys know, but Vegas is a hot market. Okay. My max bid on this is going to be roughly about 50 to 70,000. But like I said, this says it closes in 4 hours. So I'm going to wait till the last hour and see what happens. But I'm going to go here where it says seller's name so that I can get an entire list of all the properties that are selling. So this is the entire list that's going to sell. Look at this. Wow, there's still some stuff for like $2,000, $2,700. I'll click on that in a minute. This one has to be a house that's bidding at $155,000. So Vegas is pretty inexpensive. I mean, it's a hot market. There's some that are going for 4,000, 5,000. So let's just say for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna go look at this one for 2,700. And let's see if it has a property address. It has 9 bidders. So this kind of like lets me know what my competition is. There's 9 bids on this. It started out at 1,100. Not a lot of serious buyers, you guys. So I'm gonna wait. This one says it's 3 hours. I have about another hour or so, 2 hours before I actually gonna bid on this. But I just kind of wanted to show you how to actually bid on an online auction. Hope this helps.